And Roman 4, the elections must be transparent. And Roman 5 of that article, that the election should be administered in an impartial, neutral, efficient, accurate, and accountable manner. My lords and my ladies, I want to emphasize the words accurate and accountable manner. And those provisions in Article 81 read together with Article 86, which requires that at every election, the Independent Electoral Commission shall ensure that whatever voting method that is used, the system is simple, accurate, again, the word accurate, verifiable, secure, accountable, and transparent. And more importantly, that the votes cast are counted, tabulated, and the results announced promptly, and that is at the polling stations. My lords, you would notice that as we appear before you today, we have something that has never happened in this country, that you have a commission that is divided right in the middle. That speaks to a dysfunctional constitutional body that is not capable, leave alone the transgressions that we are going to talk about. But we are talking about an electoral commission that is dysfunctional and cannot be able to preside over an election that would give it the stamp of legality and legitimacy as spelled out in the Constitution. And I think that is a matter that this court should not disregard. And we'll come to that a little later